During this edition of the Mixology series from Fedway Associates, we're going to go through how to actually put together a cocktail using the cocktail kits that a lot of bars and restaurants are currently selling. All right, folks, we're going to be making a cocktail today featuring RumChata's new Limon. What we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of cold brew coffee, a little bit of simple syrup, and of course our RumChata Limon. Well, let's get started. To make this cocktail, what we're going to do is we're going to take our rocks glass and we're going to top it off with ice. Next, we're going to add in about a ½ ounce of simple syrup. We're then going to almost top off our glass with some fresh cold brew coffee. We're going to add ice to our shaker. We're going to add in an 1.5 ounces of our RumChata Limon, and we're going to give this a good hard shake. It's simply strain our RumChata Limon over top of our cocktail, and there you have cold brew coffee made with RumChata Limon.